Welcome to one of Africa's last great wildernesses. This is the Okavango Delta, a World Heritage listed jewel where nature reigns supreme. Here, mighty rivers flood the Kalahari Desert, creating a lush oasis teeming with life. Over 150,000 islands form a network of channels and lagoons, a sanctuary for elephants, hippos, and rare antelope. Bird song echoes through the papyrus reeds. Over 400 bird species soar above the wetlands, from vibrant kingfishers to soaring fish eagles. Glide silently in a Mokoro, the traditional dugout canoe. Let the water guide you through time, into a world untouched by modern chaos. But beauty here walks hand in hand with power. Lions stalk through tall grasses. Crocodiles wait, hidden beneath still waters. And leopards prowl at dusk, silent and unseen. As the sun sets, the delta transforms. Flaming skies reflect on mirror-like water, and under a canopy of stars, the night awakens with sounds of the wild. This is not just a safari, it's a journey into the soul of Africa, a place where nature writes her own story every single day. If you've enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more wild escapes. This is the Okavango Delta.